today's video. First of all, I am gonna say this video is a bit late. It should be early. Really sorry for that. Please take care of yourselves because COVID is also at its peak during winter. So today I'm talking about winter moisturizers for the face. And since we need to take care of our external as well as internal body, external body factors are gonna go through a lot in winters, and none of us want to have dry and stiff skin, I feel. And जितना important है अपने hands and legs को smooth and safe रखना, उतना important है अपने face को, because I know we are wearing masks but still people still look at our face. So today I'm gonna talk about moisturizers and why they are important in winter. Now winter tends to do a lot to our skin, and basically winter क्या करता है कि it takes away all the hydration from our body and it leaves our skin dry and stiff, and dry or stiff skin basically lead करता है to infections and outbreaks. So basically a moisturizer would give you the moisture that you require and keep your skin healthy, supple, glowing in this dry extreme weather. Since क्योंकि winter है, so we want to sit more in the sun and not in the shade. And if you're sitting a lot in the sun, then of course UV rays damage कर सकता है. So moisturizer also helps to protect us from UV rays. A lot of moisturizer have SPF that can help you and protect you against the sun's harmful rays. Please don't skip a moisturizer in winters. You may not feel it, but your skin really needs it. And now let's just start with the 4 moisturizers that I'm going to talk about today. The first one I have here is Biotique's Bio Coconut Cream. Biotique is an Ayurvedic herbal brand, and it makes products using natural ingredients. And इसमें भी there are a lot of ingredients like coconut being its main ingredient, and it also has dil root and neembu leaf, badam oil, and all of these are related to herbal products. So if you're someone who's allergic to herbal products, doesn't suit, then I would suggest you to skip out on this one. This sells for all skin types. Now coconut being its main product, now coconut is really rich in fatty acids, and it has medium chain fatty acids, and the commonly used one is lauric acid, which is good for our skin. The medium chain fatty acids, they protect the skin from harmful microorganisms. It also protects the skin from harmful bacteria and fungi that can cause infections on our skin. It also has anti-inflammable and antibacterial properties that help to treat away acne, and it also helps to keep your skin full of moisture. And especially this has got to be a holy grail for the dry skin people, because coconut is a good product for providing hydration. So before I talk more about this product, I would like to tell you that when we apply directly coconut oil to our skin, it can be a risk for oily skin people. What happens is कि coconut oil blocks the pores and it can cause blackhead to the oily skin people. So जो भी oily skin है, they have to stay a step away from this one, as this is not the original coconut oil. This has coconut in it, so you can still apply it. But then again, I would give you this tip and heads up so that oily skin people know about this. This is like a plain white cream here. This is a plain white cream here. And this has a very, not a that thick consistency, I would say. This is a normal consistency, not too thick, not too light on your skin, and it doesn't absorb so easily. It takes few seconds to get absorbed or melt into your skin. This is a bit greasy and oily for my skin because I'm an oily skin type. But for the dry skin people, this will work wonder. Trust me, this will work wonder, because I live in a place where it's not that extreme winter and intense winter dry weather. So for me it works okay. I put it on the days when I feel it's too harsh weather, so I need a lot of moisture. That days I go for this, or else I skip it. It will work perfectly well for a normal mid winter weather. It will give you the moisturization, and it takes of course seconds to get absorbed, but it will work really well on your skin, and it will stay there and give you moisturization for like a whole day. A normal mid-winter, and if dry skin, then definitely go for this. Oily skin can skip it or maybe use it. The next product that I have is Lakme Peach Milk 24-hour moisturizer. Now I will just give you a first heads up and a bummer that this doesn't give you 24-hour moisturization. This is a gel based one. There's a cream based one as well. So if you're someone dry skin type or someone who needs a lot of moisture and hydration, then you can go for the cream base. This is a very lightweight gel formula, and the texture of this is very soft and very light, and this is like a peach colored one. This is like not, peach or pink, I would say. You can't see it, can you? So this is like a peach pinkish color gel, and honestly I am not so fond of the smell. I mean, I cannot relate it to some specific smell, but I am not fond of this smell. Doesn't provide that much moisture. I am an oily skin, तो मेरे लिए फिर भी काम कर जाता है, because मेरे को ज़्यादा पसंद नहीं है when creams start to get too greasy or too oily. So this still kinds of works for me. But for the dry skin people, simply skip on the gel one. You can try the cream one out, but I still would say कि you can skip this one because it doesn't do what it claims of 24-hour moisturization. It gets easily absorbed into your skin, like it doesn't take a lot of time or seconds. It gets absorbed quickly. It is basically suited for like normal winters. मैं इसको बाहर जाते टाइम अप्लाई नहीं करूँगी जब बहुत winter है, like dry winds and very cool winds, chilly winds are blowing. I wouldn't use it outside. I would definitely use this when I'm staying at home. I wouldn't suggest dry people to basically go for this. You can have other options that I will talk about, but I think you can skip on this. But oily people, if you're too extremely oily one, then you can go for this one. The next moisturizer that I have here is Vaseline Cocoa Glow Moisturizing Cream. Now I was surprised at the amount of product I got for this price. I mean, this is a lot. This is a big dub, to be honest. Talking about Vaseline, मैंने इसके body moisturizers use किए हैं and they have worked pretty well. So I was not so much in doubt about the cream. But talking about this one, this has cocoa as the main ingredient, as the product says. Talking about this is a thick cream, and when you apply it on your skin, you will feel a little heavy. I'm an oily person, so I felt it a little heavy, but this is suited for extreme weather conditions. This is an extreme winter condition cream. It gives you a lot of moisturization and it stays on your face like a really long time. And yeah, the smell, who wouldn't love the smell? And you can see the texture here. This is the cover here and the cream is there. So talking about this one, the texture is good, it's soft, but then it's a bit heavy. For me, that's what I feel. And the smell is great, like the cocoa body lotion that you use for your hands and body. It has the same smell. Eating chocolate and then applying the cocoa on your face, both have benefits. And talking about the main ingredient, cocoa. So about cocoa, the Latin name for cocoa is Theobroma cacao. That translates to food of gods. And of course, chocolate is a good example how we crave over chocolates, and cocoa does work a great deal of things for our skin as well. Cocoa is an incredible antioxidant, and being an antioxidant powerhouse, it also helps the skin to limit the production of free radicals that could damage the skin. It helps restore the healthy glow on the face and also reduces signs of aging. It also boosts blood flow, also helps to assist in the growth of new cells. And dry people, just you're gonna love this one out. Oily skin people, you can also go with this. If you're extremely oily like me, then I would go on certain days for this. Not my go-to cream, but on certain days definitely I would go for this, and I just love the smell. So you get a lot of amount here, you can see that. So if you wanted to try this out, definitely go for this. The last cream that I have here is from Nivea. It's their soft tropical fruit cream. Now these had two other variant also. I guess there's a green one and mint and a pink one. I don't know the name of them, but you can check those out also. I went with this yellow one. This is tropical fruit. This has nothing written about the fruit. I have talked a lot about Nivea on my channel, like I love their products. I have talked about a hand cream, I've talked about them in like my lip balm. If you haven't checked those out, I would link them in the description for you guys to check it out. Now talking about this product, this doesn't have a fruity fragrance as I thought, or as it would say to have. It is a very normal fragrance like any other cream would feel, not any peculiar to anything though. It is like my favorite, to be honest. Before I proceed about this is my favorite because iska jo texture hai, that's really soft. It's not heavy on your face, not light on your face. It'll just give you the right amount of moisture, and I being an oily skin, मुझे ये बहुत पसंद है because I wouldn't suggest to dry people because ये उतना intense moisturization नहीं देता, but it gives me a good amount of moisturization and it is good for the normal winter weather. And yeah, it's a white colored, wait, so yeah, it's a white colored cream, and has a very soft texture. It's not greasy, it's not oily, it works beautifully on the face. Jojoba oil is a humectant, as I have talked about it earlier. It helps to seal moisture. It creates a protective barrier that seals the moisture inside our skin, so helps to keep the moisture locked inside, and also helps in controlling sebum production. And sebum production is less, that means there's not gonna be so sweaty and oily face, which is a good thing. And talking about this is a non-comedogenic product. That means ये contribute नहीं करेगा in getting acne or blackheads or whiteheads on your face. That means fewer breakouts. And one thing that should be noted is कि moisturizers don't contribute to acne, but इसका मतलब ये नहीं है कि you won't have acne. If your diet is not right, you would still have acne and a little bit breakout. So you have to keep your diet perfect as well. And yeah, talking about the other thing, that is vitamin E. Now vitamin E is also a thing that I have talked about earlier. It helps to protect you from the sun's UV rays. It helps from that, helps in cell functioning, to reduce the signs of aging. Altogether, it's a really good moisturizer. It works wonders on my skin. I really love it. It doesn't feel so heavy on my skin. But dry skin people, you can definitely try this one out. But if you're in some extreme weather, then you can take the other options. But this one really works well. Oily people, combi people, normal people, I think you should guys give this a try and see it for yourself as well. And yeah, this has such a cute packaging as well, and for the price it's a good amount and a cute package as well. So you can try this one out if you want to. So that's it for today's video, guys. I hope this was helpful and informative, and I hope you get a moisturizer for yourself because ये winter weather बहुत extreme और dry and oily people, keep the tips that I put it on mind, and then you can choose the right one for you. I hope that you have a great glowing skin for all these holidays. If you like this video, do give it a like and comment down below if you have any suggestions. If you want to watch more of this face, then do subscribe to my channel. That would mean a lot to me. I'll see you in my next video. Take care.